I understand you're facing the Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you issue. This can be frustrating, but there are several things you can try to fix it. 1. Check for eligibility. Age. You must be at least 18 years old to access Facebook Marketplace. 2. Location. Marketplace might not be available in your current location. Check Facebook's support page for a list of supported regions. 3. Refresh. Sometimes a simple refresh of the page or app can resolve the issue. 4. Clear cache. Clear your browser cache and cookies, or app cache on mobile, and try again. 5. Update. Ensure you're using the latest version of the Facebook app or web browser. Switch device browser. Try accessing Marketplace from a different device or browser to see if the issue persists. 6. Contact Facebook support directly for further assistance. Follow these steps to message the Facebook support team. Here, write this message. Hello, Facebook support team. The Marketplace feature is not available for me. Please solve the problem. After that, click the Submit button.